Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng affordable rent-to-own minimalist house sa Cavite? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 5,963 monthly DP ay mapapasayo na ang ating rent-to-own minimalist house na may free fence and gate pa. Two-story townhouse na may minimum lot size na 42 square meters kaya naman may provision pa rin tayo for one carport. At floor area na 42.34 square meters kaya naman meron tayong enough space para sa ating living, dining, and kitchen area. One toilet and bath with complete fixtures, semi-finished turnover, at may provision ito for 2 bedroom. May available pa nga rin tayo dito guys na end unit at may lot size ito na 57.75 square meters. Pwede nyo itong gamitin for future home expansion. And yes, rent-to-own po ito. At ang ating earliest turnover ay this coming first quarter ng 2025. Kaya naman tamang-tama ito kung ikaw ay nangungupahan at gusto mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig is 10,457. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!